In a recent development, Dr. Chukwudi Okoye, a lecturer in theatre art and film studies at the UNIZIK University, has explained the circumstances that led to him being physically assaulted by a female student identified as Godi Mbakwe Precious, a third-year history and international studies student. NaijaNews reports that the incident, which took place on campus, began when Okoye interrupted the student's recording of a dance video in the corridor of the Faculty of Arts. An eyewitness recalled that the lecturer tapped her on her shoulder and said, "Excuse me," as he passed behind her. However, she became visibly upset and exclaimed, "Can you imagine how he just hit me?" The situation escalated into a confrontation, with the students grabbing the lecturer's clothes before onlookers intervened. However, the video of the altercation went viral on social media. In a recent video shared by UNIZIK 94.1 FM on Wednesday, Okoye narrated his side of the story. He said,
"My name is Dr. Chukwudi Michael Okoye, a lecturer with the Department of Theatre and Film Studies, Faculty of Arts, NaijaNews University." Well, like I said, I wouldn't want to go into the narration because it will take quite some time. But, like as the only modification I will just give for the essence of recording is I was leaving a classroom to my office when I saw the lady along the passage, along the corridor of the Faculty of Arts. So she was making a TikTok video and I needed to pass because, the way the place is and someone was by there. So I just tapped and said, "Excuse me," and walked off. And when she made that insultive comment, I had to come back to first ascertain if she was a student, my student in the department. And then I needed her because I noticed it was a TikTok video. So I needed her to delete it. I actually asked her to delete right in front of me. When she refused, I stretched my hand to confiscate the phone. And now, because I knew that would make her now say she's from the social department, because I had no knowledge of who she was. And that was when all hell let loose. And the rest, like they say, is history. So that's all I can say for now. Any other actions and whatever, I leave that to the committee to sort out. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
However, in a statement signed by the acting head of Information, Public Relations and Protocol, Njelita Luhi, the university confirmed that Vice Chancellor Professor Joseph Ikechebelu had ordered a full-scale investigation. It stated, "We urge all concerned parties and members of the public to remain calm as we diligently pursue the truth. We will continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV."